Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 15th question on chapter Biotechnology and its application. Friends, this chapter is very much important for your NEET exam, so please go through this question which can help you in your NEET exam. और मैंने पहले भी वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं, वो आप जाके देख सकते हैं और ऐसी नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के लिए प्रिपेयर रहिए. So we start our video with the first question on your screen. Question 1. Biotechnology mainly deals with A. Industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals. B. Biological use of genetically modified microbes, fungi, plants and animals. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Biotechnology mainly deals with, and the correct answer for the first question is C1, that is both A and B. Question second. Which of the following is the critical research area of biotechnology? A. Providing best catalyst. B. Creating optimal condition for catalyst function. C. Developing downstreaming process technique. D. All of the above. I repeat the question. Which of the following is the critical research area of biotechnology? And the correct answer for the second question is D, that is all of the above. That is providing best catalyst, creating optimal condition for catalytic function. C. Developing downstream process technique are critical research area of biotechnology. Question third. Which body of the Government of India regulates GM research and safety of introducing GM means genetically modified organism for public services? A. Biosafety Committee. B. Indian Council of Agriculture Research. C. Genetically Engineering Approval Committee. D. Research Committee on Genetic Manipulation. And I repeat the question. Which body of the Government of India regulates GM research and safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public services? And the correct answer for the third question is C1. C1, that is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Question 4th. Which of the following BT crops is being grown in India by the farmers? A. Maize. B. Cotton. C. Brinjal. D. Soybean. Which of the following BT crops is being grown in India by the farmers? And the correct answer for the fourth question is B1, that is cotton. Question 5th. BT toxin kills insect by A. Inhibiting protein synthesis. B. Generating excessive heat. C. Creating pores in the midgut epithelial cells leading to cell swelling and lysis. D. Obstructing a biosynthetic pathway. BT toxin insect kills. And the correct answer for the fifth question is C1, that is creating pores in the midgut epithelial cell leading to cell swelling and lysis. Question 6. The first human hormone produced by recombinant DNA technology is A. Insulin. B. Estrogen. C. Thyroxine. D. Progesterone. The first human hormone produced by recombinant DNA technology is, and the correct answer is A, that is insulin. Question 7. PCR is used to A. Detect HIV in suspected AIDS patient. B. Detect mutations in the gene in suspected cancer patient. C. Diagnose many genetic disorders. D. All of the above. PCR is used to, and the correct answer for the seventh question is D, that is all of the above is used in PCR. That is detect HIV in suspected AIDS patient, detect mutations in the genes in suspected cancer patient, and diagnose many genetic disorders. Question 8. Transgenic animals are those which have foreign A. DNA in all of its cells, B. Proteins in all of its cells, C. RNA in all of its cells, D. DNA in some of its cells. I repeat the questions. Transgenic animals are those which have fallen. And the answer for the eighth question is A1, that is DNA in all of its cells is the correct answer. Question 9. Biopatent means A. Right to use and investigation. B. Right to use biological resources. C. Right to use application. D. Right to use process. Biopatent means, and the correct answer for the ninth question is B1, that is right to use biological resources. Question 10. Crystals of Bt toxin produced by some bacteria do not kill the bacteria themselves because A. Bacteria are resistant to toxin, B. Toxin is immature, C. Toxin is inactive, D. Bacteria enclose toxin in a special sacs. I repeat the question. Crystals of Bt toxin produced by some bacteria do not kill the bacteria themselves because, and the correct answer for the 10th question is C1, that is toxin is inactive. Question 11th. The trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is A. Acidic pH of stomach, B. High temperature, C. Alkaline pH of gut, D. Mechanical action in the insect gut. I repeat the question. The trigger for activation of toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is, and the correct answer for the 11th question is C1, that is alkaline pH of gut. Question 12. A patient has a defective gene for the enzyme adenosine deaminase ADA. He/she lacks functional cells and therefore fail to fight the infecting pathogen. The cells are A. B lymphocyte, B. Phagocytes, C. T lymphocytes, D. Both A and C. I repeat the question. A patient has a defective gene for the enzyme adenosine deaminase ADA. He/she lacks functional cells and therefore fail to fight the infecting pathogen. The cells are. And the correct answer for the 12th question is D1, that is both A and C, that is R, B lymphocyte and phagocytes. Question 13. Which gene was introduced in the first transgenic cow? Transgenic cow. A. Human alpha lactalbumin, first alpha 1 antitrypsin, C. beta 1 antitrypsin, D. CRAB1AC. Which gene was introduced in the first transgenic cow? And the correct answer for the 13th question is A1, that is human 1 lactalbumin is introduced in first transgenic cow. Question 15. Golden rice is a genetically modified crop plant with the incorporated gene it means for biosynthesis of A. Vitamin B, B. Vitamin C, C. Omega 3, D. Vitamin A. I repeat the question. Golden rice is a genetically modified crop plant with the incorporated gene it means for biosynthesis of. And the correct answer for the 14th question is D, that is Vitamin A. Question 15. The first human drug made by genetic engineering technique was A. Insulin, B. Paracetamol, C. Streptomycin, D. None of these. I repeat the question. The first human drug made by genetic engineering technique was. And the correct answer for the 15th question is E1, that is insulin was the first human drug made by genetic engineering technique. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Please do like, share and subscribe this video if you like this video. Thank you friends for watching this video. Keep smiling always. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.